Hey y'all, how you doing? Yes, I am covered in sweat. Why? Because I slash my husband, or me and my husband and I, whatever is grammatically correct. Just finished doing the front and backyard of my of our home. Blah. My glasses are filthy. But I need to go to Lowe's real quick because we need some more filters for the air conditioner. So I'm hoping that Lowe's has them, and I'm really hoping that they have two because I need two of them. So let's ride. I decided to put these on instead. You know what's funny? These are shades. But my glasses that are prescription, I hit the button, are transitionals. All right, y'all, we are here at the Les. So let's go get what we've needed. And I can put my other glasses back on because we about to be walking around in a building. So let's ride. There's Lolita. Lozita. It sucks because they changed so much stuff in this store. So now stuff that I know where it was, I can't find it. I just need a sign that says filters. That's some pretty lighting. Great gentleman popped up and was like, what you need? I must have had that look of, I need help. I need help. I might see if I can get some weed killer while I'm in here. I need to get some more of those. But how do you know what size is the right size? I guess I just gotta measure it.